Elijah, what the heck happened to your teeth, bro?
Messed up.
Do you like them?
No.
No? Do you, tell me anything you can say about them? What's been going on with them?
Nothing much. A bunch of people bully me because of it at school, so I wanted to get them fixed where they don't look like this anymore.
What kind of bullying?
When I'm talking to someone, they're usually like, oh, they roast me because of my teeth, and it makes like no sense. So that's why I came here to get them fixed.
From Marshall, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can I see him?
Soda pops don't help it.
Soda pop? Yeah. Kids that have a lot of sugar issues.
He does, yeah.
Yeah. So you'll take some responsibility for your teeth, a little bit.
Take all of it.
Oh, nice. Well, that's the first. So I'll take all of it. How would you like to have them fixed up today?
I would love to have that.
Were you expecting that to happen today?
Pretty much, yeah, but thought it would be happening over a span of time, so.
No. You'll be done. Yeah, you'll be done in about 45 minutes.
Really?
Oh. Dude.
What would it be like to have your teeth? What would it feel like to just have your teeth fixed today?
Amazing. That's what it would feel like for me.
And have a little more confidence for the girls too.
It's not what I'm worried about.
Yeah, right.
It's not. I don't know what you're talking about.
You just turned red there when you said it.
You're a handful, you get it naturally.
All right. Well, I usually have a way of making a bunch of bros and making a bunch of hoes.
See, I told you, he's not your typical mix.
The name does.
That's true. That's what handsome does sometimes. All right. You ready to have some fun?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
Oh, Lord, man, that's a big difference.
Oh my God.
The whole look.
Oh.
You like it?
I love it. You got the streets, what? Oh.
Still facing you.
Oh my God.
Looking at you, it's a total different look.
Oh my god.
Total different looks.